A business compiling its financial statements for the year to 31 January each year pays rent quarterly in advance on 1 January, 1 April, 1 July, and 1 October each year. After remaining unchanged for some years, the rent was increased from $6,000 per year to $7,500 per year as from 1 July 20X3. Which of the following figures is the rent expense which should appear in the statement of profit or loss for a year ended 31 January 20X4? Answer: 5 months over 12 months times $6,000 equals $2,500. 7 months over 12 months times $7,500 equals $4,375. Total rent, $2,500 plus $4,375 equals $6,875.